Hi, my name is Jiveshu. I'm the Salman Khan of Fat World. 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 Salman Khan of Fat World.
When you look at me, I look like Agarwal sweet corner वाले का बेटा. I knew it. पापा खोया लाऊं. I'm 35, I'm divorced, I'm about 110 kilos, I'm 5 feet 4, I stay with my mother. So life is happening, like, I was never fat for my mother. I was like healthy, plump, pleasantly plump, horizontally challenged. And now she tells me, मेरा बेटा सूजा हुआ है. I still remember I come back from office, my mother used to tell me, तू लटका कर तू अभी भी लंबा हो सकता है. Like पंजाबी लड़के 40 साल तक लंबे होते हैं. मेरे घर में टॉयलेट में 0 वाट का बल्ब लगा हुआ है. ऑपरेशन थिएटर की फील देता है वो. अंदर घुसते हो जल जाता है, बाहर निकलते बंद हो जाता है. मैंने अपनी माँ से बोला बल्ब लगवा दो, तूने देखनी है. नहीं देखनी है, लेकिन मजाक मतलब जरूरी है कि हम मतलब इंटरोगेशन रूम में बैठ के कर रहे हो सामान.
I had a job. I had a job for 16 years. I was a director in a company, and then decided to quit all of it and become a stand-up comic. Dumb decisions we take in our life. We do that, but so proud. I was just spending too much time with my dog and my mother. So evidently, both of them think I'm very funny. Like my dog is perpetually like this. Like I don't even know if he's not laughing at my joke or not.
I went to Punjabi by nature. 1600 रुपए के 4 प्राउन तूने भाले से पकड़े थे. Why are they so expensive? Why? And this is what I don't get. So I stay with my mother, and it's a great life. I love her. I love her. It's just that she drives me nuts at times. Like for example, उनको पंजाबी by nature में उनको dinner कराने लेके गया. 4000 रुपए का dinner कराया, कोई खुशी नहीं. टमाटर 10 रुपए 8 रुपए मिल जाए, ऐसा लगता है छोटा भाई आने वाला मेरे घर में. इतनी खुशी होती है.
I have had people who message me on Facebook like, I saw your videos, really big fan, I really like your work. Tell me a joke. And it was like at random at about 3 in the night. I'm funny, but not on Facebook, like I'm not funny. So I don't know how to react to these guys because I'm not used to it. I'm not used to people liking me. So I'm okay. I don't know how to react. I've become very weird. I still remember I was studying with one of the stand-up comics, and there was a woman who walked up. She said, big fan. And I stepped out of the bar. I said, okay, she must be talking to the other comic. And when I came back, she was still standing. They said, your fan. So I was like, okay, sorry. It's overwhelming. If I look at them, it's like, oh, you don't even know who you're liking. I like them. It's just I'm not used to it. There have been instances where people have walked up to me and they said, we like your work. I said, okay. Like, I can hug you. Like, that's all. I don't know how to react.
It's weird how people give advices, like freaky advice आ रही होती है. Like I was, when I was married, I was going out with my ex-wife to Jaipur, and somebody said, "Sir, इतने पैसों आप गोवा चले जाओ. Goa is fantastic." I said, imagine कर तू गोवा में बैठा है, sunset हो रहा है बीच पर, तू पीना कोलाडा पी रहा है. Just because you bought a ticket, you have to laugh at everything. बंदे को शराब तो पीने दो कम से कम यार. So imagine this, somebody like मेरे जैसी बॉडी वाला बंदा भागता हुआ सिर्फ थोंग पहन के. पेट ऐसे ऐसे चल रहा है, ऐसे ऐसे.
I've always been the funny guy. I've always was stupid enough, moronic enough, find fun in most tragic situations ever. So it's not too much of a switch to me. I think more to do with in personal life. I think I should drop it. Like it's very weird when your mother tells you like, I think you should lose weight. I say, she said, no, it's not funny. Like when she tells you, I think you should get money. She said, no, not funny either. So I think I have people coming and telling me like, let's not be stand-up comic for once, like just be normal. And I think I can't do that. I can't differentiate. I'm always like that.
Talking about marriage, this is nice. When you're divorced, your mother wants you to get married again, and that's what the problem is with me. मेरे घर में कोई भी चीज़ करो वो शादी पे आके रोल अप हो जाती है. उसी मेरी मम्मी ने बोला चाय के लिए दूध उबाल दे. मैं दूध उबाला था, मम्मी के दूध उबल गया, मैं नहीं उबल रहा है. अगर तेरी शादी हो जाती ना दूध वो उबालती. I know उनका कॉन्सेप्ट ये था कि जब मेरी शादी नहीं हो रही थी वो मुझे ना हील वाले जूते पहना के लेके जाती थी लड़की दिखाने. मेरी हाइट 5 फीट 4 इंच है, वो मुझे 5-6 बना के लेके जाती थी बाहर. और मैं जाता लड़कियां देखने गुरुद्वारे में, तो बाहर में 5-6 होता था, अंदर में 5-4 होता था. क्यों जूते बाहर उतरवा लेते थे मेरे.
I've gained about 20 kilos. I've got longer hair, clean shaven, divorced. this is very sad.
36.
Like I'm just
When
30.
I live
Like
with my mother,
I'm
this
like
would be
I'm
no.
like this is sad now. I don't have I told you any good. I just sold off my car because I can afford the petrol. Oh shit! This is. I need to find something good. Really, like pretty much this is it. But stand-up comedy has done very well for me. I think I've just traveled to too many new places. I love traveling. Met too many new people. Women try not to come near me because I try to hit on them every moment they say hi. I say, marry me. So it comes out really creepy to them, and they say no, you look like a, and evidently my face is everybody's mama chacha's face. So they look like, oh, you look like my mama. I said, evidently I'm old enough as well to be your mama, but yeah, but my fan base is very, very wide. I got married, and before I got married, my mother wanted to make my profile on a marriage portal, you know, like Shaadi.com. So I went to Shaadi.com. There is a section called body type. I don't know why, but somehow the girl should know how I look physically. Inner beauty is not appreciated. So I had put in athletic. What, sumo is a sport? I get a very good looking sumo wrestler. I'm like an observational comic, like an anecdotal comic. So for me, it is everything is very storytelling. Like if I'm talking to you, I'll try to look at your clothes. You're wearing a white, like a yellow top and a black thing, so you look like a taxi. For me, in my mind, I'm just working on it. Is it a constant thing to do that? No. But I'm not an exceptional comic if I was to put it that way. I try to deliver it exceptionally. So for example, if my joke is my mother gets up every day and she says, "Kya khaoge?" Every mother does that. I just say it in a very funny way. So that's how I derive it.
उनके सुबह सुबह था क्या खाओगे, you know, सुबह उठती पंजाबी वुमन, क्या खाओगे, आलू के पराठे, रात के बैंगन बड़े खा ले, आपने मजे लेने थे, क्यों पूछा आपने मेरे से, आपको मजा आता है मेरी शक्ल देख कैसे करते हुए, मेरे घिया कद्दू तोरी टिंडे बनते 5-5 कुकर, पूरी कॉलोनी आके खा के चले जाए, चिंगन बनता 250 ग्राम, दूसरा पीस ले जाके तो दूसरों को भी खाना हमारे यहाँ पे हाथ पकड़ लेती मेरी माँ.
I think all Indian men are second-hand people to get married to. They are mama's boy first and husband second. So I think in my life I understood like I can only love one woman in my life. That's pretty much my mother. So there goes my marriage. Like I can't get married to anyone in that case. So yeah, I'm very close to her. The most amazing moment in my life will be if my mother would love me as much as she loves my motor. You know, like say, like, you know, she switches it on every day and switches it off every day. I think I just would be very happy, man, if she just loves me as much as she loves my motor. Pani aa raha tha, motor on, pani gaya, motor band. So.
I think, you know, so I'm 36, I stay with my mother, and I've been living with my mother for 36 years. She's a single woman, and I know I have a lot of respect for women who are single-handed raising good kids, great kids. But I think she's getting sadistic now. वो रोज सुबह उठ के लिखती हैं, इसकी जिंदगी में जहर कैसे घोला जाए. It is like, how many people watch MasterChef? Give me a cheer if you watch MasterChef. This is what my mother watches MasterChef for 4 hours a day. घर में बनते टिंडे हैं. I don't get it. Why are we watching that shit? अब उन्होंने क्राइम पेट्रोल देखना शुरू कर दिया है. अपने कमरे की कुंडी बंद करके सोती हैं वो. मुझे देखते कि तुझे देखा हुआ है, मैं आपकी औलाद हूँ. How many people know what is banta? कंचे वाली बोतल? Give me a cheer if you know banta. I know. ये सांप के बच्चे बंटा के साथ क्या करते हैं? ये दुकान पे जाते हैं, बंटे की बोतल आपको खोल के दे देना, वापस दे दे. बंद वाली चीज मैं खुद खोलूंगा. मर्दान की वो बोतल लगे